la 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 bamba, la 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 bamba, la 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 bamba, la 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 bamba. La 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 bamba. Well, howdy there, pluckers. I've Soul Fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting little ditty for you from way back when, from Richie Valens, and a song called the Bamba, of course. Standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as the original version. Okay, so the song itself is very simple chord-wise. It's just C, F and G. Okay. Whichever sort of chord formations suit you best, okay? So basic chords are fine, or you could play the G up there on an F shape on the 3rd fret, or you could play a bar chord even, whichever G suits you best on the F. You can play 4-fingered, 3-fingered F, 4-fingered F, bar chord F, whichever, okay? But it's just C, F and G all the way through the song, okay? So, like la 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 bamba, la 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 bamba, get the idea? Just C, F and G. So the main hardest bit is obviously the intro and a little fiddly bit in the chorus. Okay, so we're starting off to play the intro. I'm starting off with just the bottom end of the G chord, okay, 3rd fret of the bottom E string and 2nd fret of the 5th string, and all you do is you play the bottom E string, the 5th string and the 4th string open, okay. First 3 notes of the intro, okay. Then what we do is we move these 2 fingers down a string. So I'm now playing the 3rd fret of the 5th string and the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Okay, and we play those together as a double stop. Just the 5th string and the 4th string. So now you've got, okay. Then you play the 4th string, 2nd fret on its own, and the open 3rd string on its own. Okay, so now you've got that. Then we move these 2 fingers down another string. So I'm now playing the 2nd fret of the 3rd string with the 2nd finger and the 3rd fret of the 4th string with the 3rd finger. And again you play the 4th string and the 3rd string together as a double stop. Okay, so now you've got, okay, then you play that 2nd on the 3rd string on its own, and then the open 3rd string. Okay, so now you've got this. Okay, once again very slowly. It's quite good if you can. I can't show it on the camera because but I tend to play this intro towards the bridge a bit to give it a little bit more sort of raspy and sort of bright sound. Yeah. So I'm playing it near the bridge somewhere, yeah? Okay, so you got that, so it's right. Okay, then we have a little riff to put in, and it's very simple again. 3rd on the bottom E string, 2nd on the bottom E string, open 4th string, right, and then you play 2 hits on that 3rd on the 4th string, the D string. So it's and then the one on the second, and then the open fourth. So that's 2 hits on the third on the fourth, 1 on the second on the fourth, 1 on the open fourth. So right, so once again, third on the bottom E string, second on the fifth string, open fourth, 2 on the third fret of the fourth, 1 on the second of the fourth, and 1 on the open fourth. Okay, so far the riff is this. Right, very slowly. Okay, and then basically we play the riff again, starting from the C bit. Okay, so we start from that bit this time. It's the partial C chord, third on the fifth and second on the fourth together. Then that second on the fourth, open third. And then this time we play 2 hits on this. When you move your fingers down to the partial F, second on the third, third on the fourth. We do it twice this time. So now you've got, so far we've got this. So it's 2 hits on that time, not rather than just the once. You hit that twice, then that second on the third again on its own, and then the open third, and that is the intro. Okay, so the whole thing complete. Here we go, slowly. Sorry, I thought about that too much. Let's do that again. It stops and it comes in la 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 bamba, and we go off into the C, F and G bit. Okay, I'm afraid I don't speak Spanish, so I can't really sing it very well for you. Okay, so once again, let's just go through it again because it's the hardest part of the song. Okay, so la 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 bamba, la 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 bamba, dee 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 dee, la 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 la. So just keeps going. Then it comes to the end of the verse. Stops. Starts another verse. La 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 bamba, da 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 da. Bit of a strum on the G at that point, and then it goes into the chorus. So it comes that second verse. La 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 bamba, da 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 and it goes la la bamba, C F G, la la. Then you play that riff you played in the intro. Third on the bottom E string, second on the fifth, open fourth, 2 hits on the third on the fourth, first 1 fret on the second, 1 hit on the second on the fourth, open fourth. Okay, so it's la la bamba. Sorry, got that? And it just repeats, okay? La la. Does that 3 times, okay? So it comes in la la and off into another verse. Well, that's it, boys and girls. That's all I can tell you about that one. Nice and easy little lesson for you all. to drive yourself insane with. Okay, thanks very much for watching and listening. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.